Welcome to this video on reviewing your applicants for an on-campus student employment job. To begin, click the Jobs link on the left-hand toolbar. Then click your division in order to filter all the jobs by your positions only. Find the position and click it. Here you'll see an overview of your position as well as the number of applicants who've applied. Click Review and you'll be taken to your Applicant Dashboard. On this page, you have a couple of options. Click Export Documents in order to get an email with all of your applicant materials. Confirm your download, and a package will be automatically downloaded to your computer. During the job creation process, you also indicate how you want to be notified when new students apply. In this example job setup, the preferences indicate that we should receive an email once the job expires with a summary of all applicants. But you can also receive an email every time a new student applies. This will generate emails to your inbox without having to go into the system. Here you'll see a sample of a handshake email with the job application summary. Let's navigate back to the Applicant Dashboard. You can also export a CSV to get a quick glimpse of all of your applicants in one place. Here we've downloaded the file. Notice the fully qualified column. If you set preferences in your job posting, this will indicate if the candidate has met all of those qualifications. If you did not set preferences, this will only reflect whether or not the candidate has work study. However, the easier way to view work study is to go to the Applicant Dashboard. For each name under the Preferences category, you can scroll over the book on the far right, and it will indicate whether they have work study or not. Students with a red X do not have work study, but students with a green check mark do have work study. In order to give added consideration for work study students, make sure to fill 50% of your interview slots with work study applicants. Pause the video here to review this example. Finally, there's one more feature we want to highlight in this video. You can set your status for each candidate to pending, declined, or hired. This is helpful to the CDO, but more importantly, you can set up email alerts that are automatically generated to your candidates depending on the status you assign. Go to your user settings, click Status Messaging, and you'll notice the three statuses are here at the bottom. At the top, you can tell Handshake what you want the system to do once you set a candidate to that specific status. There are two options: do not send a message, or automatically send the message that you have written below. For declined, there's a third option. You can ask Handshake to allow you to review the declined message before sending it. Once you set your preferences, scroll to the bottom. Here you can write the messages that you want Handshake to send once you set a candidate to a specific status. You can update the subject. You can write the specific text of the email. You can even insert variables that are pulled in from Handshake, such as the student's first name and the job title. These preferences are unique to each user in Handshake. Therefore, the preferences you set up will not affect any other users in Handshake. For more information, visit the Student Employment website.